Hey, are you a person that has super long hair and you just don't want to come in for a trim because you're scared of losing your length? Well, here's some tips for something that you could say to your hairdresser. When you go and get a haircut and you just want to trim, ask them if they can cut it dry. And then another technique to use is a dusting technique. So this is our dusting technique right here.
Clean this up right here. There's a Melinda came in wanting just a trim, so we just want to clean her ends up where her ends are dry. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling and lifting, and then boom, 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 going like this.
So that's the technique that basically takes care of any heat damage or anything like that. So remember, trims are really important because sometimes what happens if you don't come in for a trim, you start brushing your hair, you're actually giving yourself a haircut. So that's why sometimes the hair doesn't grow. So I recommend just every 6 weeks, every 8 weeks. I know you don't want, but it will maintain your hair and keep it a lot healthier. That way it can grow longer. So thank you. Totes!
Ladies, do you wanna be the best looking you've ever been? We'll do your nails, give you a facial, anything you want to feel special. Gentlemen, do you wanna be the best looking you've ever been? We got the products that set us apart, all organic, right from the start. Ippodaro.